Welcome to today's programming lessons brought to you by BenIT Solutions. Alright, today we'll be talking about the C programming language. The C programming language is a general purpose programming language that has been around for nearly 50 years, and it has been used to write everything from operating systems like Microsoft Windows to complex programs like Git, like Python, like the Python interpreter, like the Oracle database, and so many others. Now, it is a low-level language that relates closely with how machines work while still being easy to learn. Now, before we start off by writing our first classic Hello World program, I want you to first install these two programs, Dev C++ and then code blocks. So now you can pause this video and go to your search engine, any search engine that you use, and type Dev C++ into the URL bar or the search bar, and search for C++. After you finish installing the program, download and install the program, you can come back to the video and we'll complete this tutorial. Alright, welcome back. Since you have the Dev C++ installed, let's start off by writing our first classic Hello World program. Start off by including the required file, then to our main program. The printf function is used to generate output for our program, and in our case, we are passing hello world to the printf function. Now, the \n is called the escape sequence. It's used to move a character to the next line. So let's say if we wanted to print out two statements here, let's say our next statement is hello. Now, without this escape sequence, this hello will be on the same line as the hello word, but because of this escape sequence, the hello will be shifted to the next line. Alright, now this is not part of our program. Right, and each program must end with a semicolon. Without the semicolon, your program will generate errors. The return 0 is used to terminate our main function and returns 0 to the calling process. Whenever your code or your program returns 0, it means the code has run successfully. Any other number means the code generated an error. Now a quick recap. Now again, I'm breaking down each line of code for us to understand each line of code better. The function printf, which is to generate output, requires the stdio for it to generate output for us. The main function serves as the main entry to our program. Curly brackets indicates the beginning and end of our function. Statements inside the function is what determines what the function does when this function is executed. Now, these brackets can also be called the code blocks. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time. Alright.